So one of the popular formats that you can go ahead and use for editing or for lossless compression as well is AVI format. So to do that, around over here under QuickTime, you can go ahead and expand this out right here. Then over here on the top, you will be able to see AVI and AVI uncompressed. So if you were to go to AVI, you can actually choose what you want to export this in. So this is actually a standard format for editing as well and for high quality export. So I can go ahead and choose PAL-DB. Let's say, for example, let me just go ahead and right click and duplicate this out right here. And you can also go ahead and choose, let's say, for example, AVI uncompressed right here. And you can see that there's only one option for this. So you can see that there's AVI with PAL-DB with a compression right here, and one which is uncompressed, meaning every frame right here has its own information in video. So I can go ahead and choose this and click on, let's say, for example, play right here to export it out, and you can see that both of them gets exported. And then around over here, you can see that it get actually exported in file. So you can see that I got these two files right here just like this. So let's just go around over here, and then what I'm going to do is open these out right here. So you can see that I got this flower right here just like this, and flower.avi right here, and you can see that I got two AVI file right here, and you can see that this one is much more larger because this is the uncompressed file format right here, and this one is the compressed one right here just like this. So that is how you can actually go ahead and then export out the AVI format and even the uncompressed AVI file from Adobe Media Encoder. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.